In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a reminder on the Google Calendar app using the new update from July 2025. We know that reminders play a crucial role in keeping us organized and ensuring we don't forget important tasks. However, there are times when you need to delete a reminder, whether because the task is no longer relevant or perhaps has been completed. So let's dive into the steps for seamlessly removing a reminder from your Google Calendar. First, let's open your Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to the Google Calendar website on your web browser or opening the app on your mobile device. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the specific reminder you wish to delete. It might be helpful to switch to a day or week view to make it easier to spot your reminder among other entries. Now, once you've found the reminder you want to delete on your calendar, go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt a details box to appear on your screen, providing further information about the reminder. It's here that you'll have the opportunity to make any changes or, in our case, proceed with deleting it. In the details pop-up, look for the familiar trash can icon or the word delete. Clicking this will bring up additional options, especially if your reminder is part of a recurring series. If the reminder you're dealing with is recurring, you'll be presented with three options. The first option is this event, which lets you delete only the single selected instance of the reminder, leaving future reminders intact. The second option is this and following events, providing a way to delete this reminder along with all subsequent reminders in the series. The last option, all events, allows you to remove every occurrence of this reminder series from your calendar entirely. Choose the option that best suits your intentions. After making your selection, you'll typically be prompted to confirm the deletion. This step ensures that you don't accidentally remove something you might need to keep. Confirm by clicking OK or whatever confirmation button is provided in the interface. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a reminder from your Google Calendar. This powerful tool helps manage not only appointments and events, but also keeps track of small tasks through reminders. By knowing how to manage and delete them, you maintain a clutter-free schedule that accurately reflects your commitments. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any more questions about Google Calendar or any other tech topics, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay organized.